Hi, welcome to Slate's Mushroom House. Today it's time to pick the oyster mushrooms from the Elm Oyster Mushroom Farm. So what we've got to do is we've got to lie it down and we twist the mushrooms off. We don't cut them off, we just twist them off, and then we've got to cut the straw off. So the best time to pick the mushrooms is before the cap turns upwards. When the cap turns upwards, it will shoot spores out everywhere and it will make a big mess and it won't taste as nice. You want to have it so the caps are still kind of facing downwards, concave. So we just put the box like that on the table and we just grab the whole bunch like this and give it a twist. And pull it out. Pop that back up there, and you can see that there's a whole heap of straw. There's some mushrooms here that don't look too good. We're going to pick all them off. They're called aborted mushrooms. So we pick them off because they can give you a bit of a bellyache. Okay. Just going to cut the stem bud off straight through there. Have a bit of a look. There's some more mushrooms here to take off. There you have it. So we've got about just over 200 grams of mushrooms. Stick them in the bag. You can even take them apart individually if they don't fit. Now these taste great if you cook them in a bit of stock first and then add the butter later once they start cooked a bit. Okay, so that's that done. Now we've got to go through the front of the kit, the mushroom farm, and just pull out all the little tiny little mushrooms off. And then we'll give it a good soak. Give it about 10 sprays. Probably up to 20 actually. Something like that. Let it soak in overnight and then stand it back up.